Dentures are a significant investment for a confident smile. And when you experience a crack, break, or loose denture tooth, the cost to have it professionally repaired can be up to $500 or more. But there's a more cost-effective alternative that allows you to repair your dentures right at home. Repair It from Dentemp is the simple at-home denture repair kit that easily repairs breaks, mends cracks, and replaces loose denture teeth so you can get back to normal in no time. Here's how simple it is to use. Before you begin, place the liquid and powder packets in the freezer for 30 minutes. This will help slow down the curing process to allow more time to perform the repair. Clean and dry the pieces of the denture or tooth. Make sure that there are no missing pieces and that everything fits properly back together. Empty the powder packet into the provided plastic tray, followed by the liquid packet. Using the spatula, begin stirring until the mixture becomes a creamy consistency, like syrup. Using the spatula, apply a small amount of the denture repair mixture to each broken edge of the denture or in the missing tooth area. Make sure that each broken edge has a thin coating of the denture repair mixture. Immediately fit the broken pieces of the denture together or press a tooth into position. Make sure that all pieces fit together properly and are in correct alignment. Make sure the pieces also stay in perfect alignment while you hold them. Gently remove excess material using a wet cotton-tipped applicator and allow to set for an additional 4 minutes while holding the pieces in place. Using the clean end of the spatula, carefully scrape away any extra material that has squeezed out. Soak the repaired denture in hot tap water for 10 minutes. Remove the denture from the water and dry carefully. If necessary, use the provided sandpaper to lightly smooth out any rough spots. Finally, wash the denture in soap and water, and that's it! You should now have a fully repaired denture so you can get back to your normal daily activities. Our team is always here to help you. If you have any questions about your Repair It denture repair kit, contact our wonderful customer care team and we will be glad to assist you.